Back again here, working the race car. It's been a little while since the last time I raced. There's a few weeks, the next race is on at Canada, so thought we'd get a start on the car, get ready. So last time the car itself's fine, the panel wise, but it needs the radiator replacing and sorting out why it's not running. It's some sort of fuel electrical issue maybe. We can suss that, but first things first, I reckon we'll just change the radiator. It's pretty straightforward hopefully, and go from there. Right, first thing first is we'll get the fan out of the way. Two 10mm bolts. Stick that over there. Make sure the power's turned off so I don't bump the fan power switch. Righto. Next step, let the water out. So I might push it just onto the grass here a bit. Don't fill the shed up with water. Okay, but that should do it. Yeah, so we've got top hose, one from the overflow tank, bottom hose, and the little vent hose there. So take them 4 hoses off, get the water out of him, and 2 10mm bolts, and that's out of here. Right, let's get it done. Rusty breader, skip out the mud. Well, looks pretty clear, so yeah, clean them out how they work. There we go, there's the culprit. I can't see it, but the tiniest cracks form between there and there. But that's out, so push the car back inside and put the other one back in. So we got a brand new in the box radiator. It's actually a thinner one, I think. This is a standard one I used to have in the car, but it's on second hand, this thicker one. It's got the crack in it, but I have seen someone advertising they can change these tanks, so I might even look into that. So I won't toss this on the scrap pile just yet. Anyhow, 4 bolts. We'll unpack this one and stick it in. Let's go outside. And there you go. So you change your radiator to Falcon. I'll get some water in here. I got some coolant. I'll put in later. So get some water in, make sure there's no leaks, make sure the hoses are tight, make sure the radiator's any good. It's pretty in the box, that should be. You run it for it, not let the air out in here, so let's fill it up with water. Get it started. That'll do for now. The lever bent might be a bit sad. Another issue that has developed at the moment is it won't start. I'm pretty suspicious that it's got some foul plugs, so we'll pull them out and have a look and see if we can get it to start. was out of fuel, but I checked the fuel. As soon as there's plenty in there, you hear the fuel pump running. And that's another thing to look at is the fuel pump wiring, but that's another story altogether. And this engine mount here. Yeah, right there. Yeah, it looks bit rich. More. Alright, we'll see what we can find here. Yeah, these have been hit with a wire brush, so I think we'll give them a go. Righto, that's in change. Just hit the power to see if it works. There you go, that's an update we're up to. Yeah, we've got the radiator change. We tried them all spark plugs in it, it does fire, so it's just had fouled up spark plugs. I think these Falcons, once you start putting big cams in them, or bigger cams in them, they just foul plugs up all the time. So we'll clean them all the plugs up, put them back in, and we'll put them back in for spares. And yeah, that just leaves, we're going to have a look at the wiring, see why the fuel pump wouldn't switch properly the other day. And we had to change the wire a bit on that, so we're trying to change that back to standard. And also I forgot to weld that engine mount back up, so we'll leave that there for today. It's not exactly groundbreaking television, but this is an update we're up to. And next time, yeah, we'll look into the wiring and all the engine mount. We'll see what we get happening. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, share the video if you think anyone's interested in it. And we'll see you next time.